Recap, Part 2. Alright, well, you can hear I have the radio working. It's not working great, but it is working. So, you know, that is the start. I basically replaced the, let's see if I can get these down here to show you. These three have been replaced. I think this is a 20 in the middle, 230 on the sides. And that's, I say 20, it's a 22 and these are 33s. But that's what basically, the other radio, the red one here, if you look at it, it has the same capacitor setup. So I'm going to figure those are original, and that's what we're going to go with. Now the other one, the one that was up here on the near the tuning capacitor, is actually the coupling capacitor for the amplifier. Comes off the wiper of the volume control and goes into the amplifier of the radio, and lets it work. So that I don't know where I'm at out here on the dial. It's looking like 600 and something. I don't know exactly where I'm at, but I've had a lot of problems with the birdies. You guys know what the birdies are. I can't get my local station to come in. I can come down here on the dial, but it just doesn't come in. It's around this area. Well, whatever this is up here on 600 something. So anyway, like I said, it's got some work to be done yet. I still need to get that 3 microfarad cap in and get that soldered in, and I've just got it tacked in right now just to see if that was going to fix it, and it did fix it. So I think that's the main one. That was the only coupling cap on there. The rest of these there's 2 filters for the power, and there's a bypass capacitor. I think that's all it's on here is 4. I can't find that 5th one anywhere, so I think there's been quite a bit of a difference between that schematic and this version here. So let me get this 3 microfarad in where it's supposed to be and get that all settled. We know it works, so there's no sense in delaying that. I'll just go ahead and put that in and get everything working like it's supposed to be, and then we'll try to tune it up.
Means that he's not out to reject us, because once again I've been worrying. Don't you think the Lord of Heaven and Earth knows that I'm going to continually be...
Alright, well, we have it again working. It is back together as far as... I'll turn it down a little bit. It is back together as far as the radio is concerned, as far as the electronics of it. I can't show you what I did because it took me a while to get this all done. But there's a 3 microfarad, 3.3 microfarad E-cap in there where the old one was. Here's the old one. Let me see if I can find it. Ah, here it is. That's the old one out of there. I think you can see that 3 volts or 6 volts, whatever it is. And so that is working. Not getting my local station. This is kind of weird. I'm trying to find out what station this is on because it's around 640 on the dial, 650 maybe, at, you know, and that's probably not right. But I'm trying to find out where it is at, so I can get an idea how far it's off and things like that. So, but it gets in that station very well. Let me show you the dial here. Here's our. This would be our pointer up here. So you can see where it's at. I can tune it around, but like I said, it just doesn't get anything besides that station. It's actually like that's the local station because, and if it is, it's way, way off. I'll show you where the local station is supposed to be. Running here. Oh, there it is.
What do you want to say to other people who might be struggling like that? Come with me and let's look at Jesus. Our faith. I think you say that in the commentary that the is not try harder not to work, but rest in Jesus' promise. Correct.
So I don't know if that's the same station or what.
Yeah. Oh, well, that would have a reason not to.
Maybe getting the two places on the dial, I don't know, but that's about the right spot for it on, I'm going to make sure that's what it is I'm listening to. I'm pretty sure it is, though, because they have a sermon on Sundays.
Thank you for spending this time with us. Yep, very, very happy to. This has been a presentation of Lutheran Hour Ministries.
Alright, here's the cap that I took out. That's the one that was just added to it. It's working fine without it. So, we don't really need that, obviously. So, still haven't found out what station this is. They're still on their church programming. Yep, that's their local station.
Temperatures will be 10 to 15 degrees above average. Las Vegas, Phoenix, and Tucson will all see highs at least of 110 degrees.
So there you go, Bill. There's your radio working. I still have to put this piece back on, this top piece. I do have that piece there. That's the one that needs to be glued. That looks like, I can't be sure, but it looks like it's been glued before. I think maybe it fell off once before and has been glued on again. That's just the way it looks like to me. I could be wrong. Let's see, where is that piece anyway? Daggone it. Oh, probably in the box.
USA Radio News. When thinking about life insurance, my accident reinforced you never know what tomorrow might bring.
Yep, there it is.
That's why I reached out to AccuQuote. AccuQuote helps people find a life insurance policy that meets their needs.
So that will go back on there.
Millions of folks save up to 60% on their insurance, comparing the rates and features of dozens of top-rated products. A healthy 50-year-old non-smoker can buy $500,000 in 10-year level term for less than $40.
Well, I can't get it on there right now, but that's where it goes back on. So
$20 a month. Longer or permanent terms are available. Even if
once I get that back on, it'll look really nice again. It should play just fine. So
don't worry about health issues.
I'm still going to tune it up a little bit more. Like I said, it works, but I don't know why it gets that station two places. Let me see if that's the same station. I'm pretty sure it is.
In Ohio County, that includes the city of Cleveland, has established a hotline to report wearing face masks amid the surge in coronavirus cases.
Pretty sure that's the same station.
Cuyahoga County executive making the announcement and saying that complaints will be sorted out by county employees and forwarded to the presiding city or village. Mickey waved from a distance and visitors wore colorful face masks with mouse ears on them Saturday as Florida's Walt Disney World opened to the public amid a surge of coronavirus cases in the state. This park goer telling Fox News,
"The spacing was great at all the rides. They have it spaced out beautifully. They put up safety walls in between you on most of the rides, so you felt safe. No one was really taking their masks off in any of the lines."
Disney did not say how many people entered the park on Saturday, but they saw really good demand for reservations in the short term and into 2020. For USA Radio News, I'm Tim Berg. Working from home, I'm Chad Dodd, veterinarian and consultant to Limbo. Here's some tips for
Yep, that's the same one. So we're going to have to figure that out, why it's doing that. I did tweak on the IF cans just a bit to get this to work. It was getting a lot of birdies in it before, and so it seemed like it actually helped after I took this out. So I don't know what the deal is with that, why they added that. But basically, again, let me go back and recap this. Recap it, that's funny. That's a pun. Our new caps are in, the 30, 20, and the 30, and the 3 is up there. You can see the back of it. Well, maybe not. Oh, it's on this side actually. But it resides in this area here. So that's a good deal. But the rest of it's just basically, you know, this is the only one that really holds it in. I've got the I don't have the, what do you call it, put back in. I can put that back in at any time I need to. It just runs up the side there into this hole. So like I say, next thing I'm going to be working on will be the face plate or top plate, whatever you want to call that thing. And I want to get that glued back together with the end piece here. And once that's done, I can put the whole thing back together. Got to figure out exactly how that goes in there. I think, well, I know these things here have got to be spread out enough to where that will allow that tab in there. Because if it doesn't, then that's part of the problem. That may have been the problem to begin with, but anywho, that's that. Like I say, I may put some glue in there too. But it's coming around real good, I think. I'm happy with the way it's working. So, like I say, there's that, and I'm gonna end this one here. It's probably gonna be a short one. I'm not really sure, but like I say, that's gonna do this one for now. It's going on, actually it's over past noon, so it's in the afternoon right now. So guess you guys have a great day. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see ya.